Oh my god, they do castera here. Interesting. I feel like we should just get normal Starbucks cup. Do you guys now understand what I mean when I'm just like, the Starbucks like glasses is like, I don't know, it's not that great, in my opinion. Like maybe this is pretty cool. Yeah, the normal one's so much better, right? Yeah. Rashi, we'll save your money and we'll use it on other things. Goodbye, Starbucks. That was a heavy door. Oh, another one. You just get a refund. No, we should go to a normal Starbucks, then we could see it. That was a good trip. Yeah, that was pretty fun. Starbucks, everyone. The unagi fun. Hey, look! What kind of fruits are these? Huh. Alright, time to find some little snacky or dinner. Anything but McDonald's. Yes, it's the plan. Oh, there's a donkey. No, we're not. There's a donkey right ahead. This donkey looks kind of fancy. Oh, you can just get orange. This is an orange juice machine. Huh. Fancy, not small. No, Don Quixote. It's like a shopping supermarket, a popular supermarket. Thanks for the follow. I don't know why I feel dizzy. Maybe I need to take the contact lens out. F to my contact lens. No, I think it's... Do I even have contact lens on this side? I think my contact lens went backwards. We got lost. Yeah, I don't think my contact lens is even there. No wonder I feel a bit dizzy. Oh, it's in the corner of my eye. Okay, I'm taking it off. Let me just change it to my contact lens. Ah. Oh, sorry, my glasses. Today was just not a day for contact lens. Yeah. 1 second, chat. Let me just change it. No. It's the contact lens. I feel much better now with glasses. Ah, okay. So much better. It sucks, but I might have to throw away my contact lens. Yes, it is I. It's Zuni. No, I wasn't crying. I was just felt a little bit dizzy. And now I know it's because I only had contacts in one eye. Yeah, the disposable kind. Yeah. It's weird because I put it on last time and it was perfectly fine. And then I put it on this time and it was not that great. I look more like a math teacher. Yeah, especially with this jacket. Ow. There was this lady just now who looks like you without the glasses in an ad for cocktail. Oh, now you guys recognize me? Yes. Yes, your good old Zumpo. Your bromie is back. So we're all good now. Oh, hi Zumi, welcome back. Thanks, man. Thanks, yeah. Jericho just told me there was someone that looked like me earlier. Maybe it was just a bad set in it. Maybe. Yeah. I might try putting contact lens in again tomorrow. We missed you, Joe.